I don't want this. I want that.
Why the hell you saying cub, bro? What, you leaving Sesame Street?
Oh no, I'm not gonna risk it.
No village. Geez, that's too pricey. Nah.
Down there, trust.
Bro,
Jump
it's
into
not
the
actual
water.
lava.
See?
That sucks.
Anyways,
You walked right past it, dude. Right there. Right there. In the water.
What's in the water?
Go in there.
there's a hole in this map somewhere apparently.
They don't love you like I love you.
Oh, so there's another map.
I see you like clicking those buttons.
I heard there was a hole in the map somewhere.
There's a. I don't like that. I don't free. Well, oh, that looked like it was bottomless. Bro, that's just like hot water. I don't even care.
He did.
No, it does kill you. It does kill you.
I expect
Did you
that.
seriously pay 1,600 just for sleep?
Stop running.
Oh,
I died. How did I die?
Oh, buttcoin.
you fell in spite, bro.
Shut up. I know how I died.
Then why did you ask?
That was so.
That's a.
I tried to escape and failed.
Hello there. I couldn't possibly imagine you harming me.
Can we just get caught him, bro?
No.
There must never be peace with you. Throw at me. Throw this meat at me. You're always so greedy, you bundle. Where?
I have the high ground.
He's using a shield. I'm a hypocrite now.
Why can't I use shields?
I know. Wait, hold on. Is this another Charlie?
You still want that rematch?
No, it's a scam.
You still want that rematch, dude?
Yeah.
That does freaking
Oh,
damage.
that would have been so cool.
Hey, I'm gonna do a rematch with the other Charlie, dude. Ow, what?
Bro came in out of nowhere.
Help me.
Ow.
Can I not just do a rematch with someone without...
Bro,
Wait,
how'd I die?
Somebody's child? Alright, hold on. I'm gonna respawn. Oh! That's your child?
Yeah.
Okay,
Number
Charlie, ready to fight?
15. Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you want in your
I have the high ground,
Burger
Anakin.
King burger is
Hey, dude,
somebody's
can you let's
foot
do a
fungus,
rematch
but
with
that's
us trying to
exactly
kill
what
each
you'll
other?
get.
I
You
mean,
wanna
I
go
saw you
outside the
trying to
map?
kill him.
No, not really.
Hey, hey! We
Oh,
have to
okay.
kill him. Let's do a rematch of Peach.
Oh, we can't hit people.
Oh, that would have
Okay,
been so
let's
cool if he
fight.
died too.
I have the high ground. Let us do a rematch in peace. You poo-poo pants.
That's so mean. How dare you call anybody a
Yo, where'd this go?
It goes to your demise.
Hey,
Dude, let me see where it goes.
child?
No,
Charlie.
you ruined my rematch, which means
Hey,
you
wanna
must
go outside the
die.
map?
I didn't know we were fucking rematching.
But do you
I
want?
told you. I literally said it like 5 times.
Well, I wasn't listening.
Holy damn it.
Well then listen.
Oh my
Oh, golly.
lord, this has...
Goosh.
Wait,
Oh golly, please help me. I don't want to die.
Damage.
I don't want to die.
Yo.
Oh, thank God.
Huh.
Thank God.
My child. Simba.
Get down. Get down, proud beast. Down.
With that thing. Can't tell me I'm not activated yet.
Bro, this is like the chainsaw battle.
With the disc launcher, he killed 10 wolves.
Wait, I want
This is like
cotton.
this is like the chainsaw launcher, but does more
I
damage.
can't go through. Go first.
Yes! I'm scared!
Oh, buttcoin.
What the fuck?
I got you, Cookie.
Skibbity, skibbity, skibbity,
I
skibbity.
still got it.
That does so much damage.
I
No!
have 2 spears in my side.
This does 750.
What the frick?
It's just a butt kill. But
And I pressed.
oh, it's you.
Double.
Never mind.
Respawn.
Sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't know it was you.
Okay.
Oh, it's taking way too long. I'm not waiting this long.
Anything
That is the
banned
gayest
in
thing I've
here?
ever seen in my life.
What? Dude, it's
Wait, does punching do damage? I know it does,
I don't know,
odds.
actually. I have no
What
idea,
am I
actually.
hearing?
Look at this guy over
You wanna
here.
test it?
Bro,
Sigma!
look how
Fall.
fast this can kill you. Bro, stay in
This
here.
whole
Stay in here.
farm and stuff. And a
Look how
turret
fast
that's
this
guarding
can
him.
kill you.
The box?
Come back.
Alright!
Hey, you.
How did you
Already
respawn?
done. You.
You can respawn.
Since when can you respawn?
Stop
So it's all my-
Huh? Oh, dang.
I wonder what the next
Bro,
one
this
is.
is so the overpowered
Never
weapon.
swimming ever again.
Hi!
This is the most
Hi.
overpowered weapon.
I was
This-
never swimming ever again a day in his life.
Hold up, I didn't get my cotton.
And I win.
Rest in peace then!
Wait, I just want to explore.
What the frick?
real quick.
Oh, you pushed me into spikes. You're gay.
Well, I guess I did
How
push
does
you in
that-
spikes, but guess what? You died.
Okay.
You didn't even hit me.
That's
You
cool.
don't
I didn't
even
see the
want to do
spikes.
that.
No!
That'll work.
Don't kill me.
Yeah, that's the goal.
The fuck?
I got that.
There are a lot of gay spots in this map, I would say. I'm gonna respawn.
Now, I just need to look for the buttcoins.
Oh, I know where all of them are.
You do?
Someone
I wanna
told
know
me.
where-
We've been
one
out
is.
for like what, 2 hours now?
I want
2-3
blood!
hours.
Yeah, I already know where all of them are.
Where are they?
You got the
I
one
did
down
not
there,
see
I
the spikes
assume.
until it was too
Here,
late.
let's respawn real quick.
I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, sure.
Got him. We got like
We won't be able to respawn. The toggle isn't activated. We won't be able to respawn.
I think I missed.
oh wait,
Green-
it has to
Wait.
activate.
Green has to be
I'm dumb.
green information has to be activated. So start of the round, so we can't play right now.
This hurts. This is so
Bro!
Who knows where all the
Oh, I just
buttcoins
realized
are?
that's a pirate
Bro,
ship.
who did
I?
I ran up on someone, threw 2 spears at them, and they immediately went to spikes.
Oh, hold on, baghead.
I
Come here.
ran up just shing.
Look what I'm
Is
holding.
this tough at all? Is this tough at all?
Ah,
Hey, baby girl.
ah.
That's
you wanna see
actually
what's
pretty good.
tough? Wanna see what's tough?
That was easy.
Oh, hold on, I got you, I
You
got
wanna
you.
see? You wanna see what's tougher? You wanna see what's
Bro,
tougher?
literally-
Tougher, yes, tougher.
Yeah. They're spinning in the air.
Hey, hey, you
It's
wanna
very
see what's
easy. Double
tougher than
twist.
what y'all are doing? You wanna see what's tougher? It's like super tough.
Where is he?
I want to find the buttcoins. Let's follow me.
Let's listen to the
I
music.
say congratulations. Wait, why do I get last
bloody-
seat standing?
Oh wait, the
Go
challenge for
tackle
this
us. Let's listen
game
to the
mode is,
music.
like, yeah, last seat.
Hey, you say you need buttcoin? You say you need buttcoin? I can't give you a buttcoin. Also, where'd you get that jacket? Was it
Because
content
it's free
creator or
fun.
what was it?
I can get all that back myself.
Just look by the clothes. Look at the clothes.
Alright, who wants
Man,
to
I
know
didn't even
where
look
all
at-
the
get-
stashes are?
Put that gun down!
Okay.
My
Alright,
gun!
there's one right here.
Kids don't
Second one. we're
What's
going
like I
over
thought
here.
he fell in spikes.
Oh, okay.
I said Sigma.
Where?
Whoa!
I'm blocked.
There's one right here.
I'm all
Hey, stop
I
it!
got that.
Stop! I'm trying to.
Oh,
I'm trying to show people static.
Ow. That's meant to be nice.
Oh, sorry.
Let me show people stashes. It's right here.
Bro, wait!
Out of,
Yeah.
3 out of 5.
where's all the
Got
stashes?
3 out of 5.
Yeah.
I only have that
you
one,
get that
one
one?
up there.
Wait,
Yeah, I
ball
got
guy, wait for
Okay,
me!
let's see.
Wait for me! I died!
I can
I
think
died!
again.
Free fall!
There's one over here.
Free fall!
Why'd you go over
Wait,
there?
wait,
It's
I
right
died.
here.
Wait for me!
Oh, I
Wait for
didn't
me.
realize this.
And then one more. Yep, I remember. And then the last one down here. Ow.
Where?
Boop
right
his
here.
noggin. Boop his noggin. And then that's all
There you go.
stashes. Oh my lord, yo.
Almost
I don't
have
have
1,000.
all of them. Wait, don't kill me.
Now it's
Where
time.
is
Okay.
the buckcoin?
I'm for suicide.
What'll happen?
I was one of the buttcoins. I just killed myself.
Bro,
after this.
there's a guy down there.
I think
in
there's
that
a lot of
hole
guys
right
in
there?
here. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of guys in here.
Him! He was down there. He had so many turns and so many pillow plants. I walk in, I
That
get
was my goal.
disintegrated. I guess the fox's
You
nose.
blew up like half of my
Hey, sir.
things though.
Sir,
Hey, do you know where all the
Over there.
buckcoins
I only
are?
use spears.
I'm your kind now.
Yeah,
Wait,
you blew up half my
I
things.
hope-
Do you wanna know what all them are?
I'm your kind now.
I'm missing one. I got
I
the
have your
one at
strategy
spawn
and sentry
and
turrets
the
and
ones
cotton
that
plants.
I followed
I have
you
my
at.
strategy and your strategy. I cannot be beat.
I am now your kind. I'm your kind now.
I have now a sick.
No,
This guy's noggin.
I don't have a kind.
I
I'm
did
just
not.
a yeep in pajamas.
Do I have you added?
Brother, that kind of sounds race.
I am.
There's also
There
one
you go.
by the
Oh,
cannon.
it's back. The toggle walker's back.
I did. That was the last one.
Oh, that was the last one. You already had 5 out of 5.
Yeah.
I wanna know.
I got
I wanna know what
1,015.
happens if I go over.
There's no more turrets. They can-
Man.
You can't damage me.
Yeah, there are like
Sick.
15
Oh my
turrets
God,
over here.
Invincible.
Oh, FFA Arena.
Uh-huh.
Right. This is so cool. Wait,
Dude, get over here. It's about to respawn.
wait, maybe I shouldn't have had
what?
It's about to respawn.
Yes.
Oh,
I
hello.
want
Draco.
to
Hi, Draco.
Huh?
Hi, Draco. Hi, Draco.
Oh no!
Come on, bro.
Leave, I'm scared.
It doesn't do damage. Ow!
Run, Draco.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
I'm Sigma.
Oh my god, wrong dad,
I
man.
genuinely forgot. I was trying to go play first.
One bear out of a piece of
Sorry.
One bear.
Okay. Whoa, freak that. Yo, this freak.
Freak off.
Wrong person.
Where'd this guy come from?
Why is it tilted? Why is it tilted?
Why not?
Like camping for gay people.
Oh, my bad. Yeah, my bad. My bad. It's tilted. It looks really funny. Let me take a picture.
Because I knew June was his favorite. Can I please be
Hold on.
friends?
Is this guy's in? I don't know. Is that appropriate? It shows him as Rusty Nuts. I don't know if it's that's an up. Oh my god, get it done! If that's an appropriate
There you
name
go.
or not. Which,
I ain't even gonna get
I
mad.
don't think it's very appropriate, but it's very funny. Which I'm pretty sure is. What? Oh. What? Oh, it's depending on where I approach the sign. Okay. Never mind. It's not a thing.
I think I'm doing it. Never mind.
Oh, it's not working.
Do you want to have a freak off?
So clearly, I cannot use
sentry turret tactics in this game.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah!
3.
I got a semi sword.
I'm lazy.
Please.
Oh yeah. Oh, he left. He left. Kill him.
Let me see.
Hey, let's go. I won.
Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. No way.
Okay, these maps are confusing. How come so they discover the maps you can go teleport to them?
Hello?
Like, how would I just be able to teleport
What?
to blue house or something? Just actually go to them. That's pretty cool. Oh!
I don't like this one.
Yeah, I don't want to. Does anyone have this stupid? Wait. Oh,
eggs and biscuits, please. No! Spikes!
Invincible.
Yes. No, I'm gonna die.
Let me fool someone.
Dude, your sword is still doing damage to me after I killed you.
I think it's real.
You know what, guys?
Invincible, guys, you can't kill me.
Boom! Boom! Boom!
What?
Boom!
No, why is he up there still?
Alright, I'm the leaderboard now.
Child.
No way.
You can become the leaderboard?
You know what? Nah, I want to become this entrance.
Hey, you're not taking damage. Are you also invincible?
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm not invincible. I have to charge my
Alright.
headset.
Come on. Hey, what you laughing at, huh? Huh? What you laughing at? Just an entrance, little bro. Just an entrance. Don't question your life.
Oh, every time you win, you get some beans.
I love how he's glitching out.
I just noticed that.
I love break, beat. I know you do. I know you do. We all know
Are
you
you
do.
not taking damage?
I take your child.
Mwah.
Go and take one.
Drop it.
Hey, listen.
There are only 5 of us.
No!
Is the round gonna start?
Where? What's missing?
Not. What are we to be?
That's the biggest hitbox ever.
Imagine if he walks in the spikes.
Oh, there's my dead body.
Got him.
No, dude, his lifeless body, like,
Why is it not the
grabbed on
big
the
block?
dude. He grabbed on this and then just like fell off in the most gracefulest way possible.
No, I
It was
killed
so
him.
funny.
Here comes the sun. Do-do-do-do.
I don't
No!
go back to Japan in 19.
Are you sure?
What are you gonna say?
Nope.
Please, no.
You're not that big.
Leaderboard. Leaderboard.
Guys, he's the leaderboard.
Leaderboard. Oh. Oh, there's a leaderboard. You almost died again.
Stop leaderboard. What are you doing?
Stop it!
I don't wanna!
Jump. Oh, got jumped over.
Someone said jump. Good boy.
Jump.
I need to jump.
I got stuck. I got hit by the A button.
No, please, I'm sorry.
He died.
Hey, wait, the leaderboard! I killed the leaderboard! Oh no, who's gonna be the leader now? No!
What do you mean you killed me?
Now the leaderboard's back! Now we got leader. What do you say?
He's dead again.
up.
I'm gonna win this round.
Wait, hold up.
Why are my hands invisible?
Bro, you got hit by your own thing.
Hi.
My friend, come here. My friend, come here.
Rest, boy.
You want your child back?
That was so funny, bro. I just saw your lifeless body just like and fall into the water. It was so funny.
No.
Bro, I was in that upside down T-pose position. Oh,
I can't even see my
I
hands.
found your child leaderboard.
What's that? No! We should all use the prop gun to become the most retarded props or blocks.
Yeah. Wait. Give me the prop gun thing. No, I didn't know. You're gonna think I'm above my seat. I'm the map. 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 I'm the map.
Guys, I think he's the map.
I'm a sign.
Well, let's say it.
Yo, what up, music box?
Yo, it's good.
Bro, what is that? I just looked up at it. Wait, look up.
No, I'm kinda tired. I'm gonna take a rest.
Yeah, I won. It was all me.
Spinny,
Oh, wait.
Oh, it says multiple wins.
around me, whirls around.
It shows you where you're counted. It shows where your body is. Ow. No, I want to stay the map. Let me stay the map. I want to stay the map. No, it's the sniper rifle radio. No, I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. Dora, we must go to Palm Tree Forest, Block 19 Forest, and your favorite murder forest.
Murder.
Okay, map.
I'm a turret guy.
I died.
Hey, you.
That is all about the new map, so like, subscribe, and yeah.